XRP made a big splash in the cryptocurrency market today. With an impressive 80% surge, XRP stood out as the top-performing cryptocurrency among the top 10 on this Friday, 14th. According to CoinGecko, this significant increase pushed the cryptocurrency's price to around 80 cents. Ever since Ripple, the issuer of XRP, got entangled in a legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, investors have been eagerly awaiting a turnaround. And it came on Thursday, 13th, when a judge ruled that trading XRP on exchanges did not constitute the sale of a security. As a result of this decision, exchanges began reintroducing XRP trading, causing the volume and price of the cryptocurrency to skyrocket. Consequently, the price is now approaching the much-anticipated $1 mark, which is highly anticipated by investors. But the question remains, is it still worth buying XRP after such a significant price increase? XRP analysis. On July 13th, XRP surprised investors with an intraday gain of 73%. Additionally, the cryptocurrency recorded a trading volume of $14.7 billion, nearly a 50% increase compared to Thursday, 13th. Following Ripple's victory against the SEC in the United States, several cryptocurrency exchanges announced the resumption of XRP trading, further bolstering positive sentiment in the market. With a massive green candlestick, buyers surpassed crucial horizontal levels, such as 56 cents, 67 cents, and 78 cents. While this rally is backed by significant news, such extensive growth is considered detrimental if it occurs within a relatively short period. After all, the price surge happened in response to news that is still not conclusive. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple is not yet resolved. Another concern is that the judge's decision came with a caveat. Institutional XRP trading is considered securities. In other words, if executives sell their cryptocurrencies, they may fall under securities law. This could potentially harm Ripple through legal proceedings. Therefore, it is expected that short-term traders will take their profits, triggering a minor retracement before buyers can drive the next surge. And this is already happening as the price of XRP has slightly reduced its gains and is now nearing the support level of 77 cents. The support range from $0.787 to $0.778, aligned with the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement support, forms a strong support zone. However, if the XRP price breaks below this support, coin holders can anticipate a retracement towards 68 cents, 38.2% FIB, followed by $0.622, 50% FIB. And you? What price do you think XRP can reach? Please leave your comments below. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We strongly encourage viewers to conduct their own research, and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. And that concludes today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive daily updates on the crypto world. See you soon.